So GigaCloud technology was initially down on Wednesday due to a short report which came from Grizzly Research, which alleges the company is misrepresenting its revenue. However, when the price fell, it was a buying opportunity. So this is the daily chart. Before we get to that, I do want to show you this weekly bias level at $19.50 on the weekly chart. And that was based on this rally, basing candles, the rally. As you can see, price sold off only to be met with buyers that were waiting to fill their unfilled buy orders. But as you can see, this resistance support band held on the downturn on Wednesday. Again, it was a buying opportunity, just like it was a buying opportunity back in March. Now, although price has surged from the most recent lows at $26, price now finds itself in a sideways range bound price action between $30 and say $44. Typically when you are in this zone, you get a lot of chopping, meaning the buyers and sellers are equally distributed. Reason why price fell but then bounced is because there's an imbalance between buyers and sellers. In this case, the buyers outweigh the sellers. This is the 4-hour chart, and this current leg down in the process formed, say, a 4-hour buy zone, or sell zone rather, but it's no volume, so price should easily move past this level without any issues. Again, I would anticipate price moving higher, where sellers may step in just like they did back in beginning of March and then mid-March. Alright, so let's get into the report a bit more from Grizzly Research. Again, they allege that GigaCloud technology is a Chinese hustle that is manipulating data to attract investors. It claims that the company's e-commerce website only gets about 50 visitors per month. Even during its peak in June of 2022, the firm notes visitors were only at about 1,000 users. Grizzly Research claims that the company remains open by faking its revenue data and distributing products to other sellers. It does so by having employees create shell companies that order products from it. Here's what they had to say in particular. They find evidence that GigaCloud is related to a vast network of undisclosed Chinese controlled entities in the US that help the company manipulate and inflate their key metrics such as the gross merchandise value, masking the real growth profile of its business. GigaCloud is also possibly abusing these sales channels to inflate up to 40% of the revenue and sales numbers. That's a big claim, but nevertheless, the buyers were salivating once price again came down to this resistance support band. This is that 4-hour level we saw of interest, but I anticipate price just pushing past it. So although we had a leg down, momentum now is to the upside, and thus look for your target to come in at the upper portion of the range at $44. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.